Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a little product review from BeeBee Crafts. So this is kind of like my unboxing. And before I get into that, I just want to tell you about a program that BeeBee Crafts is having right now. If you have 100 subscribers and make videos, then you can go to BeeBee Crafts and apply for being a reviewer, and they will allot you an amount of money that you can order products of your choosing from, and then do an unboxing video and share a couple of videos with the projects that the items that you have done. And so that is what I did, and I picked a few items, and of course all that information will be listed below in the description box for you, and I will also try to list below the item numbers of the things that I received. So I was really excited to be a part of this program, and you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for some time now, that I'm really into junk journals and albums and card making. And I do other projects, but I really love those type of things. So I ordered some things that I could use in journal making and card making. So the first thing that I got was this really cool bookbinding kit. And it comes all together. It has lots of pieces in it. So I'm just going to take them out and show them to you. First thing you get are some needles, and these are the wide needles. I'm sorry for the glare, but they have the bigger holes in them. And these are really, really nice when you're doing the smaller work and stuff. And then you get these handy little dandy pair of scissors. To clip your yarn and whatever you're using to do your binding with. Then you get these beautiful rose gold bullnut clips. You get 6 of them, and they're really, really sturdy. So almost have to use 2 hands to push them. My dog thought they would chime in too. So you get 6 of those, and that pretty rose gold, and then you get a thimble to protect your finger with. Then you get this little brush here that you can, brush away like just little fibers and things like that may get on your project. You get 2 bone folders. You get a straight edge one here, and then you get the curved one here. These are great for bookbinding, and so they're really nice, really sturdy. And then you also get some twine. Well, this is actually wax thread. You get black. And then this is like an ivory, antique linen almost. You get red. And you get this beautiful color here. It's like it's a light tan, but it's really pretty. It almost reminds me of vintage photo ink. But it's really, really pretty. So you get the 4 of those, help you get started. You get this nice wooden awl to help punch holes in your projects. You get a little ruler. And then you get these handy needle assortment. And these are really, really nice because well, you have the curved ones, which I don't use a whole lot, but I might. But this one right here, these big ones here, are great for going through leather. So if you ever thought about making a leather or a pleather journal, these would definitely go through that. And so I was really excited about that. So that is this kit that I got, and I will be using this really soon. Move this out of the way over here. So that is really nice. And this kit was $19.80, I think. So really nice. And then to help on my book making, I also got these book corners. Now they came with a little plastic bag these were all in a little plastic bag, and I just dumped them out in the container. These are really nice. They're like little brass ones. Very pretty. And I went ahead and did something with those. This is a junk journal, remember, that I did a while back, and I put them on the corners of the journal, and they're really nice, and they fit really nice, and they were so easy to do, and they look really nice too. I didn't put one on the back, but I may go back and do that. But on the inside, they look really nice and finished, and they were so easy to do. I did these with my hands. I just pushed down with my hands, and they were able to stick there. And I thought that was the coolest thing ever. So those were really, really nice. So I really like these a lot. And I'll be using these a lot on my journals and albums that I'll be making. And then the last thing I got was a die. And you guys know that I love card making and stuff, and I love deers and stuff. And I don't have a lot of masculine things, so I got this right here because I thought this would make a beautiful card any time of the year. It has like little trees and birds and deer, and then the little half moon here. And so you will be seeing me do a project with this really soon. So that is my order that I got from BeeBee Crafts. So thank you, BeeBee Crafts, for letting me participate in this program. And I will be coming out with some videos using the items that I got really soon. Alright guys, don't forget to go check them out. All the information, of course, will be in the description box. And give them a try. And now, one more thing. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button over there. And don't forget to tap the bell when it pops up, where YouTube should notify you each and every time I upload a new video, depending on the option you pick in the drop-down menu of the bell. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!